Hi guys, it's Miss Gucci here with a video tutorial on how to log on to Schoology. The first thing you're going to do is double click on the Google Chrome icon to open a new web page. In the website URL box, you are going to type in launchpad.classlink.com/manatee schools. You will then click on the please click here to sign in. And in this box, your child is going to use their ID number to log in. So I'm going to borrow one of our classmates to show you. And they should know this. And if they do not, please let me know and I will give you their login credentials. You'll click sign in. And it will bring you to this page where it has all of the tiles that they have access to. You're going to come down here to Schoology and click there. And as you can see, you come up with updates. So this is the recent activity that your child is linked to. This is an update that I sent out just to get us started on e-learning. What you're going to do is go up here to courses, and this will show you all of the courses that your child is added to. My courses are the ones that have the picture with the little books and the Legos. So every day your child will start here at the Start Here Daily, and then their reading, writing, math, science, and social studies will also be on here. If you don't see all of those, you would click My Courses here, and it will show you all of the courses that you're linked to. So as you can see, our social studies one is all the way down here, and you would click the one that says Fruit Sheet on it. Okay, we're going to scroll back up and click back on our courses. You also will have art for your kids to do. There is music right here, PE with both Coach D and Coach Thornton for you as well. So we're going to start here daily. This is how I'm going to take attendance. When you click on it, you will find a folder that says resources. In this folder, I have all of our login instructions for all of the e-learning websites that we're going to be using. And I will do video tutorials on how to make logins for those as well if you don't already know how to do it. The ones that are not included on our tiles are Epic Books, Age of Learning, and Prodigy. There is a tile for Brain Pop, there is a tile for RAS Kids, and there is a tile for IXL, and the kids know how to get on all of those because we use them in class. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.